Today we are off to Ballet to see a more scenic and beautiful part of Istanbul, calm and by the water with nice houses in a market. So let's go on a big walk and find it and have a wander around. Let's go. Welcome to Balat. We're going to walk through this market, get looked at by a bunch of people, but that's fine because that's part of the nature of what we're doing. So join me. Let's get the life out of me. Join me as we walk through the market. Let's see what's on offer in Balat. Probably should listen to what she's saying because I don't know. Speed bump. There are so many guided tours. Probably should have taken one. I saw a kid earlier just back there. He had a flat tyre and he had those clickety-clackers on his bike, you know, and you're meant to put them on and they make a good sound. They never make a good sound. I had those on my bike. Mine were meant to whistle. They didn't. So Ballet is famous for its multicoloured buildings. Kind of looks, you know, like, well, San Francisco's got multicoloured buildings, I don't know. Galway, multicoloured buildings. Looks a bit like that. All pastel shades. It's got everything you could ever want. It's a long market street, and you could totally miss it if you were just on the main road and not know this was here at all. It's got a completely different feel to it than the rest of where I've spent time. I'm gonna get run over. It's a nice little time away from where else we've been. You know, a bit different. You do have to mind the taxis though. There's arts and crafts and tat. I mean souvenirs and keepsakes forever to cherish. Yesterday I got hustled in. There's a market, there's an auction. I went in just make a bid. I didn't hear the number go up as I stuck my hand up. Probably best not to do that. Yesterday I got hustled into a carpet shop and they were trying to get me to buy these rugs for like £3,000. I was like, you are wasting your time. Is this your business model? To ask random strangers on the street if they want to make an impulse purchase of a rug for £3,000? I don't know. So I eventually said to him, you are wasting your breath. Even if I wanted one of these rugs, which I do not. There's loads of little antique shops and traditional Turkish coffee, which I need to get one of those eventually, because I do like it. That place, which definitely looks haunted. No way, that's not haunted. Cobbled streets, ice cream tourists, people having a nice time. Saw some people holding hands and looking longingly into each other's eyes earlier. Suckers. Don't they know love isn't real? Holy moly. I really am going to get run over. This is such a nice little area to come to. Beautiful streets. I wish I knew more about like aftershave and cologne and stuff, because there's so many shops around here selling that. And I don't know anything about it, but it all smells so good. Well, I haven't got the foggiest. I don't know what's good, what's bad. You basically have to tell me if it smells good, because I don't really know. But there's so many like those perfumery kind of shops with gorgeous exotic looking bottles, like beautiful ornate Arabic looking bottles to me anyway. They look awesome. And you know they smell good. There's a distinct smell I've got in my brain that's like that smell. Musky kind of gorgeous perfume. But I wouldn't know if that was the one I was buying. Look at these old buildings. love to snoop around these apartments above these buildings. That's what I want. You know, all I really want is to rummage through people's fridges and in their houses and go looking. I want to go through the houses and look around. I think I'm just nosy. But, you know, I love that type of thing. Some awesome houses. That one's for sale, but it does look derelict. I think that's the whole street, the whole Balat. Lots of things to look at. Gifts to buy, cars to be run over by. I just got the nod of someone saying, "You're filming a YouTube video," to which I nodded back and said, "You know it. Check it out." I see the benefit again of scooter. I really do. They are a menace, but they are cool. I'm gonna die here. Some of these cats know exactly where the best spots are. That's it. That's a walk through Balat Market. Really lovely. Gonna die. I think I like Ballet. I like coming up here. Bit of a walk out of the city, but you gotta go by this nice waterfront and parks and stuff. It's gorgeous. All the buildings very nice. Yeah. You get used to Ballet. Worth the trip. I have no idea where I am, but this is what I wanted from a Turkish market. This is what I was expecting. Am I filming? Yes. This is what I wanted. I like it. Very busy. Let's walk through. Oh yeah.
TV.
It's funny when you just stumble upon when you wander around. There are some Turkish puddings that look very good. I want them. See? Perfume and stuff. It all looks so good, but I have no idea what it is.
Bir iş yap demiyor. Oğlanı, oğlan.
Cup of tea. It's just what I needed. Thank you. It's really nice. I ate that restaurant over there twice because the service was so nice and the people were just really cool. They were just really nice. And the food was very, very good. I tried that kanafi or kanuf. I am not pronouncing that right. But it turns out, I took a risk and turns out it's, I guess, Turkish cheesecake.
Turkish fans are very good. Turkey, very beautiful country. Record like 10.
And Turkish cheesecake, it's like mozzarella in it, I guess, that makes it really stringy. Wasn't for me, but I'm glad I tried it. So yeah, they gave me 3 cups of tea, which is a small gesture that honestly goes a long way. It meant I went back there the next day. So yeah, great food.